Assalamu alaikum to all my dear students. It's me, Miss Maryam, your assistant teacher. Today I will teach you a new chapter, that is chapter number 16. The name of our today's topic is sides, directions and time. This lecture belongs to the students of class 2nd. So dear students, you often hear the words front, back, right and left. These are the words which tell us about our sides. Okay? Words like front, back, right and left. These are the words which tell us about 4 sides. Okay? Let's learn the 4 sides from this picture. This is a picture in which we can learn about 4 sides. Dear students, the cat is in front of Ali. Just look at the picture and see in this picture that the cat is in front of the Ali. The dog is behind him. The dog is behind the Ali. And the goat is on his right. Okay? The elephant is on his left. So, in this picture, we'll learn about front, behind, right and left. Once again, I will tell you who is in front of the Ali. Cat is in front of the Ali. And who is behind Ali? Dog is behind the Ali. You can see in the picture. And on the right, the goat is on the right of the Ali. Okay? Elephant is on his left. Okay? This tells us about the 4 sides of the, yes, you can see in the picture. These are the 4 sides. Okay? Right, left, front and behind. Dear students, now let we learn about directions. Directions. The rising sun helps us to find directions. The sun rises in the east in the morning and sets in the west in the evening. The words east and west are the names of directions. Other directions are north and south. Stand early in the morning facing the rising sun, like this. Like the girl is standing. Stretch your both arms as shown in the picture. Okay? Dear students, you will find that your face is towards the east. Okay? And your back is towards the west. Your right arm is towards the south and your left arm is towards the north. Okay? Once again, I will tell you, other directions are like there are directions like east and west, okay, north and south. Stand early in the morning facing the rising sun, like the girl is standing and she is facing towards the rising sun. Now, like this girl, stretch your arms, both your arms, as shown in the picture. Then you will find you will find that your face is towards the east. Your back is towards the west. Your back is towards the west. Your right arm is towards the south. And your left arm is towards the north. Dear students, the directions help us to locate things in the neighborhood, town and city. Okay? Now, directions in a map. This is a map, picture of a map. Dear students, it's very easy to find out directions in a map. Let's have a look on this map. Dear students, the top of the map shows the north, okay? The bottom shows the south, as shown in the picture. The right of the map indicates the east. The left indicates the west, okay? This is a picture of map in which you can see the 4 directions, that's north, south, east and west. Dear students, all the maps have same pattern of showing the directions, okay? Now time. Dear students, the sun not only gives us an idea of the direction, but it also helps us to know the time, okay? What? Once again I will repeat. The sun not only gives us an idea of the direction, but it also helps us to know the time. Let's know how. Dear students, the time when the sun rises is called morning, okay? When the sun rises in the morning, we get up in the morning, the sun starts moving towards the west, okay? This is how we can know about the morning time. Number 2 is that when sun is directly over our head, we call it the midday or noon, okay? Like this. When sun is directly overhead, we call it the midday, or we can say it as a noon time, okay? The time after the noon is called afternoon, okay? We have lunch at the afternoon. At this time, what we do? We have a lunch at this time, okay? Dear students, when the sun begins to set in the west, it's called the evening, okay? When it's called evening, when the sun begins to set in the west, it's called the evening. We go to the park in the evening, okay? We go to the park to play like in this time, in the evening time. Dear students, when the moon and the stars appear in the sky, we call it the night, okay? But when the moon and the stars appear in the sky, we call it the night. We take our dinner and go to the sleep after it. This is evening time. Dear students, do you know how to read the time? Yes or no? Yes. Dear students, we have watches and clocks that tell us the exact time. This watch has a second hand, a minute hand and an hour hand, okay? Every watch has a second hand, minute hand and an hour hand. It tells us the time in hours, minutes and seconds, okay? Dear students, do you know 1 minute is divided into 60 seconds? An hour is divided into 60 minutes. A day has been divided into 24 hours. Now, let's learn little bit about weeks, months and years. My dear students, 7 days make a week, okay? 7 days make a week, like Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday and Saturday. These days, 7 days make a week. 4 weeks make a month, okay? 4 weeks make a month. And 12 months make a year. Okay, 12 months make a year. A year has 365 days, or we can say 366 days. Okay, once again I will repeat. There are 7 days make a week, 4 weeks make a month, 12 months make a year, and a year has 365 or 366 days. Okay, okay dear students, thank you and Allah Hafiz.